So this video is about solving the LeetCode problem number 1732, finding the highest altitude. This problem states that there is a biker on a road trip. The road trip consists of n plus 1 points at different altitudes. The biker always starts at the point 0, and also it is given that gain of I is the net altitude of between the points I and I plus 1, which means that it is based on the prefix concept. If you would know that if you have solved problems based on these types of patterns. Okay, let's look at the example 1. They have given a gain array. From the gain array they have explained us with an example where it starts with 0, which is the prefix which they used to get the sum, net sum. So now let's get into the explanation part. We have gain array, which is similar to the example 1. So here now we are going to have a prefix which is pointing to 0 at the beginning. We are going to update it for every time we are going to go through the values in the gain array. We are going to start with -5. That's where we start. We are going to add that to 0, which will result in a value -5. So the new prefix value is 5. And then now I increments to 1. So we are going to add that to our prefix, which is -5. -5 plus 1 equal to 4. And the new prefix value is -4. And then we are going to continue this process till we get to the end of the array. If we get to the other parts, we'll get this array, which has the value -5, -4, 1, 1, 6, which is same as the array that is given in the explanation. So if we want to get the output they have mentioned, we have to get the maximum from the gain array, which will result in the output. So we are going to use the max function to get the maximum value from the array. And also the small edge case here, if all the values are negative in the gain array, we can use if condition to sort that problem out. So now let's get into coding. I've initiated the prefix variable to 0. I'm now looping through the gain array. So this is the part where we are going to change the value of gain so that we can change the values of the altitude. And after every updation of the gain variable, we are going to update the prefix variable as well. So this is the edge case I was talking about. If the max of gain is lesser than 0, we are going to return the value 0, or we'll return max of gain.